Ever wondered how you can level up your fishing game with the latest and coolest gadgets? Whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, the right gear can make a world of difference. Imagine having tools that not only enhance your fishing experience but also make it easier, more efficient, and a lot more fun. In today's video, we'll dive into some of the most innovative fishing gadgets that every angler should know about. From high-tech cameras to versatile toolkits, get ready to discover gear that could change the way you fish forever. Number 1. Sougayilang Fishing Rod Combos. First up, we have the Sougayilang Fishing Rod Combo, a must-have for both novice and experienced anglers. This combo includes a high-quality carbon fiber telescopic fishing rod known for its strength and durability. The rod features a lightweight guide ring made from silicon carbide, ensuring smooth casting and excellent heat dissipation. With a low-friction coefficient and advanced epoxy resin adhesive, the guide ring is built to last. Number 2. PLUSINNO 353/404 PCS Fishing Lures. Next on our list is the PLUSINNO 404-piece Fishing Lures set, a significant upgrade for those needing a comprehensive tackle solution. This set includes an XL tackle box that's 42% larger than the previous 353-piece version, making it perfect for storing in your car seat or backpack. The double-layer design allows for easy access to neatly organized lures, including poppers, frogs, spinners, and more. With this tackle box, you'll be ready for any fishing scenario. Number 3. MUCOR Underwater Fishing Camera. For those who enjoy sea or ice fishing, the MUCOR Underwater Fishing Camera is a game changer. This professional fish finder includes an underwater camera and a high-definition LCD monitor. It allows you to monitor fish and observe underwater topography, significantly improving your fishing success rate. The camera provides clear visibility, making it possible to see if fish are biting the hooks, which is a valuable tool for enhancing your fishing efficiency. Number 4. KastKing Carryall Fishing Rod Bag. The KastKing Carryall Fishing Rod Bag is an essential for anglers who need to transport their gear safely and efficiently. Made from double water-resistant, high-density 600D Oxford fabric with a PVC-coated exterior, it offers robust protection against the elements. This bag can hold up to 6 rods and reels on the outside, and its spacious interior is perfect for utility boxes and additional gear. The interior is divided into 2 compartments, with the lower section able to accommodate up to 8 3,600 size utility boxes or 6 3,700 size boxes. The bag also features 4-foot pads at the bottom, ensuring added protection during transportation. With its durable construction and ample storage, the KastKing Carryall Bag is a must-have for serious anglers. Number 5. HookEZ Fishing Knot Tying Tool. The HookEZ Fishing Knot Tying Tool is a must-have for all anglers. It prevents fish hook injuries by covering the sharp barb while tying tackle. This tool is versatile, accommodating hooks from size 4/0 to the smallest size 28, and can tie knots for jig heads, swivels, speed clips, and selected flies. It also includes a stainless steel trimmer for cutting lines up to 50 pounds, adding to its convenience. Number 6. Top Fort 187/343 PCS Fishing Accessories Kit. The Top Fort 187/343 PCS Fishing Accessories Kit offers a comprehensive collection of gear, ideal for various fishing conditions. This kit includes everything from hooks and sinkers to swivels and snap connectors, all made from anti-corrosion stainless steel. The durable construction ensures longevity, even in harsh saltwater environments, preventing deformation and maintaining performance. Each piece in this kit costs only about 9 cents USD, making it an incredibly cost-effective choice for both beginners and seasoned anglers. Designed to attract more catches and entice predator fish, this accessory kit is an excellent addition to any fishing arsenal, providing value and reliability for all your fishing adventures. Number 7. KastKing Pontus Fishing Net. The KastKing Pontus Fishing Net is a versatile and high-quality tool designed to enhance your fishing experience. Featuring a 6063 aluminum alloy handle and a durable FBR frame, this net is built for strength and longevity. The 61-inch extension handle includes a reinforced aluminum rib, providing additional strength for various fishing situations. Its foldable and retractable design, with a push-down switch, allows for easy storage and transportation. The floating EVA foam padding ensures the net stays buoyant, making it easier to retrieve from the water. Whether you're fishing in freshwater or saltwater, the KastKing Panas fishing net is an essential tool for every angler. Number 8. Getasi Headlamp Rechargeable. The Getasi Headlamp Rechargeable is essential for any outdoor enthusiast. With a maximum brightness of 1200 lumens, it easily illuminates your surroundings. Its 1500 mAh built-in rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance, providing 4 to 10 hours of continuous use. The headlamp features a battery indicator, helping you keep track of usage and ensuring you're never left in the dark. Perfect for fishing trips, camping, or night hiking, this headlamp combines power, versatility, and reliability, making it a valuable addition to your gear. Number 9. Berkley Powerbait Chroma Glow Crappie Nibbles. The Berkley Powerbait Chroma Glow Crappie Nibbles are designed to elevate your fishing game. These bait enhancers add the irresistible scent and flavor of powerbait to your lures or live bait, making them more attractive to crappie and other panfish. The unique scent dispersion technology creates a powerful scent trail underwater, drawing fish to your bait. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned angler, these nibbles can significantly improve your catch rate, making your fishing experience more successful and enjoyable. Number 10. Flygo Men's Summer Outdoor Work Safari Fishing Travel Photo Vest. The Flygo Men's Summer Outdoor Work Safari Fishing Travel Photo Vest is perfect for outdoor adventures. Made from lightweight fabric, this vest offers minimal waterproof protection, ideal for damp mornings. It features multiple pockets for storing fishing gear, travel essentials, or photography equipment. Its versatile design makes it suitable for fishing trips, safaris, or any outdoor activity where convenience and practicality are essential. Stay organized and comfortable with this stylish and functional vest, perfect for any adventure enthusiast. Number 11. KastKing Fishing Pliers. KastKing fishing pliers are a must-have for any angler. This combo includes 7-inch pliers, a fish lip gripper, and a fish scale, all crafted from high-quality 420 stainless steel. The tools feature a durable, corrosion-resistant exterior polymer coating, ensuring they withstand harsh conditions in both freshwater and saltwater environments. The ergonomic design and non-slip grips make these tools easy to use, providing the precision and strength needed for various fishing tasks. Enhance your fishing experience with this versatile and reliable toolset. Number 12. Eskimo Quantum Ice Auger. The Eskimo Quantum Ice Auger is a powerful tool for ice fishing enthusiasts. Its 40cc high-compression 4-cycle engine delivers robust performance, effortlessly turning 8-inch and 10-inch auger bits. Despite its power, the engine remains lightweight and easy to transport. The Quantum Auger features a centering ring for precision drilling and a no-prime fuel system for easy startup. Additionally, the quick-release bottle holder for propane cylinders ensures uninterrupted drilling. Reliable and efficient, the Eskimo Quantum Ice Auger enhances your ice fishing experience. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Let us know in the comments which gadget you like the most, or if there's a cool fishing gadget we missed. See you soon.